All right, good afternoon, Royal Dunes owners, guests, and friends, family members. This is Andre Tyler, your general manager. I have finally made it to the resort. I am now at the entrance. I am absolutely flabbergasted by the way this looks, but wanted you guys to see what your resort looks like and how we're faring up here. I know some of you are in some warmer climates, so I wanted to make sure that you could get some information and see your resort. So right now I'm just turning in. I'm still in my vehicle. I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get a shot all the way to the dunes. Here we go. All right, so if you can see, we're making it in to the entrance. We're coming in. It's pretty socked in here. It's pretty soupy. A lot of ice, a lot of snow. We're trying to make our way up the road here. We're on Wimbledon. Wanted you to get a good look-see. Here we go. Here's somebody else. Oh, PSD. This truck is our water provider, folks. I guess they came to check on us, so we appreciate that. Hey guys. All right. Coming on down the road. You can see it. Here it comes. The dunes are coming up. As you can see, we got the crane on the right-hand side here. We started our roof project on building 3. So that's what you're seeing here. And we're approaching building 3. Here we are. Royal Dunes in all of its glory. We have made it here. All right. We go. We made it. We have finally made it. I'm quite excited to be here. It was quite rough trying to get up here. Most of the Hilton Head roads are really, really bad. All right, I'm turning into the parking lot. First tracks in the parking lot. Here we go. I am now on Royal Dunes grounds. More to come. Stand by.